Let's learn how we can evaluate an expression. Evaluating an expression means, suppose if you have an expression like 3x plus 5, evaluating an expression means we are giving a value to the variable x and finding out the final final number which represent this expression. Like for example, if I am saying x is equal to 2, what I'll do is like I'll sub in the values of x in this expression. So it is like 3 times 2 plus 5, that's equal to 3 times 2 6, 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. Okay, again if I say x is equal to 3, I sub in the value of 3, so 3 times 3 plus 5, which is equal to 9 plus 5, which is equal to 14. So it is just like giving the value to the variable and calculating. So let us try some questions here, because this can be a little tricky when it comes to squaring or division and multiplication. So let's do some questions and see how it works. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 2. Find the value of, okay, let's do a subdivisions of this. So 2a plus 3b. So what I need to do, I need to put the values for a and b in this expression. So 2 times 3 plus 3 times minus 2, which is equal to 6 minus 6, that's equal to 0. Okay. Second one, a square plus 2b. So a square means it is 3 square plus 2 times minus 2, which is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. Let's do a final one. 3ab plus b square. So that's equal to 3 times 3, a is 3 and b is minus 2, plus b square minus 2 square. So that is equal to 3 times 3, 9, 9 2s are minus 18, plus minus 2 square is 4. So that is equal to minus 14. So whenever you do these calculations, please do it in the calculator, but make sure that you put the minus sign and the brackets correctly, because if you take this case of minus 2 square, if you are using the calculator, you have to put the values and the brackets in this order. Otherwise, what will happen is the calculator will take it the priority differently, and you might get a different answer. For example, in this case, what it will do is like minus 2 times minus 2. But if you are writing minus 2 square without a bracket, what it will do is it will give you okay, in this first case you will get 4, but in the second case you might get minus 4. Okay, that is because the calculator does the squaring first and then add the negative value. So please make sure that you put the brackets also in the calculator so that you get the correct values. Now let's try some other questions with division. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Find the value of 4b minus 2a divided by c. So that's nothing but 4 times 2 minus 2 times 1 divided by 3. So that's equal to 4 times 2 is 8 minus 2 over 3. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. Okay, so this is how we do the fractions or the division part. Again, another question, x is equal to 1 and 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2, 1 over 2. Find 4x plus 2y. 4x plus 2y. So 4x plus 2y is 4 times 1 and 1 over 2 plus 2 times 1 over 2. That's equal to, it's difficult to multiply like this. So what I will do is like I will convert this into a mixed improper fraction. So that will be 4 times 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 2 times 1 over 2. Now I can simplify this as, I'm just writing it again with a multiplication sign so that it gets simplified. So here it is 2. And this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So that's nothing but 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. Okay. So this is how we handle fractions. And suppose if you have p is equal to 2, q equal to 3, r is equal to 6, find r times p plus q. So if you are finding this kind of expression, remember the rule BIMDAS or BOMDAS or whatever you have learned. So bracket should be done first. So which means that this should be completed first before it is multiplied by R. So first let us write the value. So it is like 6 times 2 plus 3, which is equal to, so what you need to do, you need to do this first. So that is 6 times 5, which is equal to 6 5s are 30. Okay. Let's try another question. Q plus R over P. So that's equal to 3 plus 6 over 2, 9 over 2, which is equal to 4.5. You can put it in a decimal or you can give it as a fraction. So it's up to both should get you marks. Okay. Now let's try another question. Area of a triangle is given by the formula area is equal to half BH. Okay. Find the area when B is equal to 25, H is equal to 10. Okay. So area is equal to half BH. That's equal to half times 25 times 10. And this I can simplify only when multiplying. So this will be 5. So and the answer will be 25 times 5, which is like 125. Okay, so you can to evaluate the expression, it is pretty easy. You put the values in there and you simplify it according to the mathematical rule, and you should be able to get it. Let me do a just a bit difficult sum. 3 divided by x plus 3 plus 4 divided by 2x plus 6, where x is equal to 1 over 3. So you have to evaluate this expression. So that is 3 divided by 1 over 3 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 2 times 1 over 3 plus 6. Then what you can do is 3 divided by, to simplify this, I'm just trying to do it here for people who don't know it, 1 over 3 plus 3. The method I would suggest is cross multiplying. So I have a video on cross multiplying in this video, so please look into that. So I put a 1 over here so that it is again a fraction, and then I do cross multiplying. So that will give me 3 as a denominator, because that's a multiplication of these two, and then it is 1 plus 9. So that is nothing but 10 over 3. Okay. So here I will get 3 times 10 over 3 plus 4 divided by, the second one I'm going to simplify, 2 and 1 over 3 plus 6, which can be written as 2 over 3 plus 6, which I again simplify using cross multiplication. So the denominator will be 3, and then there is a cross multiplication which is like 2 plus 18, which is like 20 over 3. So then I will get 20 over 3 here. Okay. So now to simplify this element, what I will do, 3 over 10 over 3, I can easily write this as 3 divided by 10 over 3 plus 4 divided by 20 over 3. Okay. Why I am writing like this is to make sure that we are not making any mistake and we are simplifying it properly. Now with the rules of division, what you do, you multiply it with the reciprocal. Reciprocal means turning the fraction upside down. So this will become 3 over 3 by 10 plus 4 times 3 over 20. Okay. Now I'm putting brackets so that I understand this is one a single bunch. So the first one will become 9 over 10. And for the second one, there is a simplification possible. So I have this 4 and 5. So I will get 3 over 5. Okay. Now this I can put it into the calculator and simplify it. But if you don't want to do it, it's 9 by 10 divided by 6 by 10. So I'm just making it as a single fraction. So then it becomes 15 over 10. And then you can simplify this as 3 over 2.